Hello guys, welcome to Nest for Code, the place where code nourish. We are in 30 days coding challenge. Let's see the day 11 problem. Extract the website name. Okay, let's move on to the problem statement. So we have to write a program which will be taking a website URL as input and we have to give the website name as output. Okay, and website name like it can be either HTTPS or HTTP and www dot would be there, and the domain name can be .com, .co, .edu. Any domain name could be there, right? .co, .in, anything can be there. Like if the input URL is like https colon slash slash www.com, we have to give the output as okay. It should come as Google, right? Yeah. So, and we have to try this problem without using loops. Okay guys, so let's understand the problem statement in a better way, right? Okay. So what we can think of, like let us suppose this is our, right, text is there, right? So okay. So it can be like https like www dot, right? And here your website name will come, right? So this is we are primarily interested on. Then a dot would be there and a domain name will be there, right? Yeah. Or the other format can be, what can be the other format? It can be HTTP, right? In place of HTTP it can be HTTP, sorry, in place of HTTPS it can be HTTP www dot, then again the website name and dot, and then the, sorry, it will be a dot and then the domain name. So guys, one thing you can see here, it's common, which is this dot, right? This will be our first dot and this will be our second dot, and our domain or our website name will be between these two dots, right? So if we get the location of this first dot, we can know like website name will start from here, and if we get the location of this second dot, we can understand the domain name will start here and website name will end here, right? So we have to get somehow these dots location. Okay guys, so let's move on to the solution part for this, right? So our problem will primarily solution will consist of input logic and the output part, right? So okay, let's see what's the input output format would be like. In input we are just getting a website URL, right? But just a website URL. Okay guys, yeah, so we'll just ask the user, so you can just name the variable like URL and we'll say input website URL, right? Okay guys, so before I move on to the logic part, I just want to introduce one method to you, right? In string, let us suppose we have a say string which say hi.com. Let us suppose it's a thing, and we want to get a position of any character here. So what we can do, we can use a index method. What index method do? It gives us the lowest index where that character is starting and the first for the first occurrence, right? So okay, this is string, not one, not string. Okay, like yeah, so it's coming as 2, right? So you can see 0 1 2, so this 2 is, this dot is at a index 2. Okay, so you can use similar method for our this problem also, right? Okay guys, so what we know in our problem, this will be the first index, right, where the this website name will be starting, right? Okay, so let's get the first dot, like something like first index, right? And what we use here, URL dot index, and for which we want to know the index, we know that website name will always start with it, there will be a dot before that, right? First index, but yeah, we know, right, the website name, it's between the both the indexes. So now we have to move on to the second index. So guys, what's the case here, right? This index method also take start or end point where we want to search the string. So okay, let me explain you. Let us suppose our this string, right, it consists of say www.hi.com, right? So whenever we do the search, it will give us a third, right? This is the position of this index, but what we want the position of second index. So we can say that I don't want, I want a part, I want to search this substring or I want to search this character, but in a part of it, right? So we want to start from index 4, or we can also give an end index, but in this case it will be sufficient to give a start index. So we want to start from index 4, so it will start from this point to search dot, right? So now it's coming as index 6, so which is the index for this dot. So same approach we can use here, right? We will say second index, we want second index, we want it in URL, and the index it will give us for dot, and here what we can give the start position, and the start position will be From the next position after this first index plus 1, right? Because we don't want to include the first index. So we'll got both the indexes here. Now what we can do, so the website name will be in between of these two indexes, right? So it start from here and till point, this point, right? So what we do, we say website name, and this will be a URL. Out of URL you get, it will be first index plus 1, because at first index it will be a dot and we want to start after that, and we can go till second index. So because we know in string split, right, whenever you use this operator, it will not include this value, so it will not include the dot. So this will be our website name, right? So guys, let's, and as our output we'll just, so if you see the problem statement, we just need to print the website name. So we'll just say here website name, right? And our job should be done. Okay guys, so let's try out to run this for the sample input output. http www.google.co.in. So https is http, okay guys, and www.google.co.in, right? So this is the sample input which is given, yeah, and should give us output as Google. Yeah, so it's working as expected. So guys, let's try out this too for other cases also, if it's working as expected or not. It's http www.facebook.com. So I'll just copy the part of this to make our job easier, right? And it will be facebook.com, right? This is it's coming as. The other thing is http instagram.com. Okay, so we want to run it for say Instagram also. And guys, in this case it's https, it's not http, right? So we should run the test cases as given in the statement. Okay guys, so let's try to run it for, oh, this is code. We want to run it for https www.instagram.com, right? So it will be https www.instagram.com. The output should be, it's coming as Instagram. Yeah, output is also coming as Instagram, right? Yeah. So guys, also go through the recording of the session for the string, so you understand all these methods in a better way, right? And okay guys, so I think our all test cases are working. You can try to run the program for other test cases also. Yeah guys, don't forget to hit the like button and also add your comments and share it with the friends also, right? So they can also try out these problems. And don't miss out to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon so you don't miss all these awesome videos. Thank you guys. Stay tuned.